Guys, this is a before of what the hallway looks like.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget, but baby we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping us. Say there ain't no stopping us. No, there ain't no stopping us. There ain't no stopping
My office. Okay, it's not the best looking presentation wise. I still need to fix up that area, but I'll go through it first. If you see down here, I've got these cubes from Kmart and those inserts as well. They are from Kmart. So over here I've got the Alex table. This one's from IKEA. I like this because it's got this section here, 2 holes so that you can take your cords down and plug it in wherever. Just hides everything and just makes it look like so much neater. Look at that. I need the fan because this opens up straight in here. It gets really hot and I don't want the computer to overheat. So my theory is if I put the fan behind the computer, it might stop it from overheating. I don't know. What I have in here is these 2 pieces. That is a 3-piece felt insert. This is a 6-piece felt insert. And I've just got in here, like, as you can see, just like stuff that I use on a daily. These 2 are from Officeworks. But this I need to fix up. I don't know where I'm going to put them, if I am going to put them anywhere. We have got 2 Alex straws and they are as well from IKEA. On top of that, I've just got my printers, like nothing fancy. I actually need to fix that up. So in the top drawer, I have got just paper that I use to print. I have got some labels, like sticker labels. I don't actually do sticker labels anymore. So in here, I've got, you know, the paper you use for wrapping chocolates and stuff. Not that I used to do them, but I would do them for like when my nieces were born and stuff like that. So I've got a bunch of those. So in here, I've just got all the like embellishments. Then here I've got my ribbon. Yeah, this is how I kind of store it in one of these. Then here I've got the foiling and the Cricut stuff. And then I've got more foils up there. I can't get up now. And there is also that cane basket is from Target. The rest of the boxes are from Kmart. And that basically just holds my stock. Now my chair does fit under there. The only thing that, like, yeah, see what the handles do. Anyway, so sometimes I'll give out like sponsored gifts if I know there's a big event or something's happening and I want my name to get out there. I do give away sponsored gifts. And in there is just like the little gifts that I do give away. Over here I've just got some, like, I need to put this in a box because like I don't want the dust to go onto those, but they're just baby stuff. I've got some loose Tsum Tsum bottles in there. In here I've got some baby stuff. I've got those that I'm launching soon. And these are just generally just all my stock, to be honest. Like, so my table, the table to the IKEA, to the Kmart thing, there's a gap. And what I've done is I've rolled this up and I've just squeezed it in the gap like that. So moving along to here, this is the wall behind the door. I've put 2 Kmart cubes and this fits like perfectly with the door, like the door goes in there so it doesn't hit anything. And in here I've got, well, I need to fix this part up, but they're like the backdrops that I use, the materials I use when I put the stuff on, like the frames and stuff. In the shelving I've just got like props, like, you know, see under there we've got like the little carriage and we've got some books and we've got some of these. In these cupboards, these are the built-ins, and all I've done is utilized the space inside the built-ins. So I'll see if I can show you guys. Okay, so this isn't the prettiest looking thing, but basically this is the cupboard. they all look like this. So this is where you would hang stuff, and what I've done is I've put all my boxes there, and it's not easier for me to reach out. I actually have to take everything out. Like if I wanted that one, I can't just pull it out because it breaks everything. Tried it, been there, done that. These are from Officeworks, and they are the clear drawers. I think they were like $24 each, or $12 or $24, I can't remember. So it's a 4-piece set, and then all I've done in here is honestly just color coordinated like some of the ribbons and stuff. I don't use a lot of this, so I don't carry too much. And yeah, so this is the other hanging side, and all I've done is put Alex cubes here, and then all my stock is again in here. And then that's from Kmart. I got it recently, and I've just got 3M tapes behind it, and I've kind of hung it up. I don't think I'm gonna hang anything on it, but that's more for if I did have anything like this. This is a diffuser I got in a PR package, so just have it there, makes the room smell a bit nice. But if I did want to show anything, I can just hang them on this, I mean, if ever. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm pretty sure over time this will change, but that's like the overview of my office.